All right, we're going to make a little improvement to our purge system. I'm going to cut a couple of pieces off this hose here, about 1.5 inches, and like that, about there. One. Right there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our little plug from here. You can see how the end goes in. We're going to take our silicone spray, spray a little into this baby, like that, so it goes easy. Now we're going to take and push this guy on like that. Then that should make this more stable here. And then what we're able to do too, if we want to turn this back into a plug, I had bought this plug kit from High Temp Masking Supply. I can take one of these little red babies, shove it in there, and it's a plug again. Pull it out, and I can turn it into an exhaust like that, where I can meter the exhaust like that, or I can use it as the intake feed for the Argon. So that's what I came up with. I think that makes it more stable, so I'm going to do it on the other side up there, and that's what I got. We'll let you know how the purge system works. Like and subscribe.